Plants. Plants are living organisms that play an important role in our world. They come in different shapes, sizes, and colors, and they can be found in almost every corner of the earth. So, it is important for all of us to know about their growth. Today's learning is, how do plants grow? Plants grow in a fascinating way, and we will learn in a simple manner. Seeds. It all begins with a tiny seed. Think of it as a plant's baby. Soil. The seed needs a comfy bed of soil to rest in. This is where it gets its food and water. Water. Seeds need water and soil to grow. Water helps the seed get bigger and softer, and soil gives it a place to grow its roots. Sprouting. When a seed gets water and is in the soil, it starts to sprout. A tiny plant called a seedling comes out of the seed. Leaves and stems. As the seedling grows, it also gets leaves and stems. Leaves are plants' food. They use sunlight to make food. The stem helps the plant stand up and carries water and food to the leaves. Sunshine. Plants love sunshine. Sunlight helps plants make their own food through a special process called photosynthesis. Growing up. With lots of water, sunlight, and time, the plant grows bigger and bigger. Some plants make flowers. Taking care. Just like pets, plants need care. They need water, sunlight, and sometimes plant food to stay healthy and keep growing. Plants have a life cycle. They start as seeds, grow into seedlings, become mature plants, make new seeds, and the cycle continues.
This is how plants grow. Keep growing plants at your home. Growing plants at home offers physical, mental, and environmental benefits, making it a rewarding and worthwhile activity.
See you in the next video. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe.